So for the first time in a while it's actually not raining. So we're actually going to go and do something today. Emily's getting ready with the little guy. You alright? What have you been up to? Just chilling. Mum's getting ready, she's about to straighten her hair because it's gone a bit excited there, isn't it? It's like you've been touching a Van de Graaff machine.
That's what my natural hair is like.
Okay. So you need a nappy change, little man, so we'll see you in a bit. Do you want to do the little hand thing?
Hi guys, so as Tom said, we are heading out for a little family day trip today, which we haven't done really in long time. So Leo's having like 3 meals a day now, so he's getting like easier to feed, although my god, solids are so messy. Well, today we're heading to a place called Healey's Cider Farm.
Hello.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
That didn't work.
Good boy.
Time to drink. Once again, the pack of pods has come in massively useful. So we're about to do some cider tasting. Like it? So we've tried all these ones here and they're all really nice, funny enough.
Oh, the smell, that's gorgeous.
You like elderflower, don't you? Right, so here goes the Hicks and Healey whiskey. Oh, that smells lovely.
You've just drank the whole thing.
I've left a tiny bit for Emily.
A tiny bit?
Yeah.
What's that?
You've got to try it, that's strong.
As soon as we get loads of people pulling up, they start grabbing glasses and drinking out of people's glasses.
You're not happy? It's too noisy for you, isn't it? So maybe if I just drill a little hole in the bottom here, do you think this could be the best pipe ever? If I just get a big enough spanner and undo this, do I just get cider all day? So, we've got Mummy and Leo. And some guinea fowl. Oh, hello.
Hello.
What are you thinking, little man? Should we go and see the pigs? Okay. So we're going to go on a tractor ride, aren't we? Look. Tractor ride. So we're on board the tractor. You ready for the ride?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
A bit of the history of cider making itself. Before I do that,
So I thought I needed. You make
Did you enjoy the tractor? Did you enjoy the tractor? Tractor ride? And we went to the cider farm. Did you enjoy trying all that cider and brandy? Yeah.
We're just driving down to Callistic Farm, which is just down from Healey's cider farm, because they do some of the best ice cream, I think, probably ever, don't they? And here it is. I mean, it's a nice day for ice cream. I mean, it is sunny, so YOLO. Where's the ice cream? Well, it's quite a short and sweet visit, but we got some ice cream, didn't we? So that was good. Right then guys, we're back home now. Clouds have come in. Really nice ice cream, so really enjoyed that. We didn't really get too much. We got a bit of tidying up to do, but we got a couple of little bits and pieces. We got a bottle of limited edition Cornish cider, oak matured in American bourbon barrels, so that was nice. I preferred the Scotch one, but I really did like the single malt Cornish whiskey. It's the first one for 300 years. So if you open it up, it's a really nice little presentation case as well. So I was like, you've got to have that. Yeah, it's really nice, very strong. I do like my whiskies. And yeah, this one's got a bit of kick to it. I think it's like 50%. So I'm saving this for...
It's over 60%.
It's over 60%, yeah. So it's got a nice kick to it. I really do like my strong drinks. But it is going to be a special occasion job. Like, I don't want to open this again for a while. I'm going to put it away. Maybe even Leo's first ever little shot when he's 18 years old.
Well,
I'm not sure.
Legal shot.
Or his first legal shot. Yeah, so yeah, because obviously he'll probably have some down the park with his mates at some point, but I'm gonna have a GPS on him. So it's quite a fun day. So did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did. I don't know what's going on with my face at the moment though. It's like really
what?
Really just
beautiful.
You've
eaten my baseball.
It's just really flushed and
cool
stuff.
We got some cool bits and pieces from Mum as well, some clothes.
Yeah. She bought Leo some socks with boats.
Socks with boats, cool.
She got him a t-shirt with dinosaurs. That's really cute.
Nice.
Yeah. And she also got him
little dungarees.
Gorgeous little dungarees.
Cool.
Isn't that lovely?
Cool.
Yeah. Really cute little boat on the front, you see?
There we go, yeah, in focus now. Perfect.
Yeah, so that's all really nice. We've got a few nice little bits.
Cool, so I think that's it really. We're going to finish up for today.
Yeah.
Just finished watching Moana. That's Leo's favourite. So he's just gone to bed now. So I think we're just going to chill, put our feet up, relax, and gonna drink some cider wine.
Because we can't drink that.
No, that's special occasion, Healey.
So we can drink that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so take it easy, guys.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.